Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Korbari hakani gejala uba lakamen Rymbui ulaong baka sarkar kamla aban Weng Superintendent of Police bat Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills katkom ka jingdawa ka BJP namar ka di ka kamram jong ki Pulit baki Bor District ban pendap ya ka jing toket halor ka jingja harimpu bagan. Halor ka jingkano ka BJP baki Pulit kinyan ben ye kinong tray ka BJP hatura uba Rymbui ulayada ya ki Pulit da ka baong ba omdan unu officer ubalik ben nyen ben nyanu yanu balada ka jing toket ka dan jing yadai bat ka jingja yu isatia ba ka dan kata ka jing le ben namar kata ba Rymbui loong ba ka dei ka kamram jung ki Pulit ban khanra kum ka jing toket namar ka dei ru ka kamram jung ki Pulit ban te la kami ki jing sniu kham tam menta nadu ka jing karni ka jing khai drop bat ki wei ki kam sniu uba Rymbui loong ba ka jing toket kadang yat menta bat na kalyang USP ka West Garo Hills District ru ula dep pensyai ling ba kilat pathai khubor ba kamdan kanu ka jing le ben nyen ben yanu na kalyang ki Bor District ka West Garo Hills ru la dep banthong da ka jing toket daw magister la ne magisterial inquiry halor ka ka baja bat lap harimpu bagan.
Not say about the demand of the people of the now we have seen that there is a massive rate on drug everywhere. So do you think that because of this thing, so somebody will demand that to stop this raid, or the police officer who raid this thing will stop? No. The duty of the police officer is to see that as much as possible, that to see that the law and order prevail, and moreover that all the criminal activities should be contained or eradicated. So removal of officers because of the demand of somebody or anything, that does not arise. But if they do anything which found wanting, which the law, in the eye of the law, that we have no other option but to do that. Government servant dan government officers badan kahok ban harass yakido nuki innocent person. Namar ba ultimately ya kanu no charge ladadan kamot ba hap substantial hapo code but kide banle den ta kadaw kid hap banle ya ka procedure ka ba kide banle ngamla ba ban kren ya ka jing keno chang ki preu handre kumbangi kren do paski banong kom ya kanu ki kam be ai ka sarkar ka shikhe te ladaki don ladaka case kadon ka district administration lane ki police ke beri banle halal ka jong area jong ki dei banle te kamut ba barok ka bakile kadai kalong ka political motif hanta kumbang amne ndan weru officer uban le ya kanu kono ka kam namar ba ka ka jingle jung o kalong ba u hakiban substantial hapo kako te hakaleng ka junga hakajing ijunga ka USP na ka post ko report la ay clarification lemba ka ki plat pathai khubor te ngasnge ba nakaleng junga ngin ya investigation bakan dep takin siape ya ka ba jia hadin jong kata. No officer of the government have the right to harass the people, the innocent people. But if there is any thing which link to the case for the sake of investigation, that the police are given the right to do the necessary thing to see and to substantiate the case. So this is the usual procedure of the case. I don't see there is any harassment. As I said, nobody is above the law. Even the police officer also do. They are the law implementing agency. They have no right to harass the innocent person. Investigation is on, and the SP of West Garo Hills has every now and then give the press statement regarding the process of the case. Let us wait, and moreover, you have seen that besides the investigation in this case, the district administration itself also have issued the magisterial inquiry into all these type of things. So I hope that the truth will come out and we will see. So let's us wait. And as of now, I cannot see anything. But my stand is very clear that no matter who you are, you have no right to harass the innocent person. But if it will help or if there is a link to the case, that is a different issue altogether. See this, we see the menace of drug everywhere. It is not only in the state of Meghalaya, but all over the country. So this is a national agenda which we have to eradicate this menace of drug. So I'm very happy that the village, Darbar, social organization, and the people are cooperating with the police to keep the information, to keep the input. Not only that, the police of other state or other agency of the central government also, they are helping in this matter. So this is a national menace, so we have to work together, and I hope that with the constant effort of the police department and other agency, we will able to solve this type of menace in society once for all. Through this raid, through this arrest, investigation in respective cases going on, and linking of the case, whether it is an isolated case or there is a wider cartel, that I will not be able to tell you, and I will so let the police work on this, let the law enforcement agency work on this, so that we could, if at all, we could establish and reach to the people responsible for this.